Several coordinate pairs from a linear function are shown in the table. I see. What is the average rate of change on the interval from x equals 21 to x equals 102? All right, well, rate of change is the formula f of b minus f of a over b minus a. I can call you A, I can call you B, it really doesn't matter. So you'll be A, you'll be B, you'll be f of A, you'll be f of B, and now it just becomes a nice little PEMDAS problem. F of B is 28 minus f of A, which is 1, spoke too soon. B is 102 minus A is 21. 28 minus 1 is 27. 102 minus 21 is 81. Those are both divisible by 3, so let's divide. Those are both divisible by 9. So let's divide the top and the bottom by 9. Those are both divisible by 27. Oh my gosh, so that actually just becomes 1/3. Oh, look at that. Look at that. Oh, wasn't that fun? That was a lot of fun. Random math problem for 1.2.